Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video. To my amazing supporters, thank you guys so much for all of your amazing support. So in today's video, as y'all could tell, I'm gonna be showing y'all my hair wash routine, and I'm gonna review the products that I use to wash my hair. It's been a good like 3 months since I washed my hair. I don't wash my hair that often because from experience, for me, not washing my hair too often has helped my hair to grow. I've been like on this transitioning journey from like natural hair, from permed hair to natural hair. So yeah, and natural hair, if you have like natural, especially 4C hair, y'all know like that's one of the most difficult hairs to manage. So yeah, that's that. But today is September 15th. It's currently 2:09 p.m. I really need to get my hair done. I'm supposed to be traveling at the end of this month, so I definitely got to get my hair done. And I just wanted to show y'all. I don't want to scare y'all. That's why I got my bonnet on. So I'm gonna take the rest of my braids out. I don't know if y'all can see. I've had them in for 2 months, a good 2 months now. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, it's time to take them out and wash my hair. I took out my crochet hair last night, so now I'm ready to take this out, wash it. Gotta go to the hair store, get my hair that I'm getting, all that stuff. So yeah, but that is not what this video is about. Y'all gonna see all the hairstyle I end up getting, all that stuff in another video, but this video is strictly just my hair wash routine and the products that I use. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next part of the video. All right y'all, so I am officially done taking out my hair. As y'all can see, this is all the hair that came out, y'all, all of it. So gotta get rid of it. But yeah, I'm about to wash my hair now. I'm about to show y'all how I wash my hair. Hope y'all enjoy this video. The product I'm gonna be using is, hold on, what's it again? It's Shea Moisture Hydrate Plus Repair Shampoo, Hydrate Plus Repair Conditioner, and what is this called? The Protein Power Treatment, so that I can treat my hair. So yeah. Alright y'all, so for this part, I'm gonna use my shampoo like I told y'all. I usually wet my hair first and then shampoo, so that's what we're gonna do. I got my towels right here. So now that my hair is wet, I'm gonna add a generous amount of shampoo, because my hair is super dirty, as I told y'all, because I have not washed it in so long. All right y'all, this is my second time putting the shampoo in. So for this part, you gotta scrub. It feels so good. Woo, child. So I'm done shampooing. To the girls that do this natural hair thing, I salute y'all, because look at this. This is my least favorite part about natural hair, is the shrinkage. Like, that is crazy. I swear, I really might perm my hair again. For real, look at. Okay, that's enough. I'm go into conditioning now. So I got my conditioner. I don't even want to talk about this whole natural hair thing. All right y'all, so I am done combing through my hair. I used my detangling brush as well, brushed it through. As y'all can see, my hair is nice and soft. So I usually do that once the conditioner is in there. So now I'm about to wash it out and then move on to putting in the treatment and then blow dry. All right, y'all, so now that I am done washing my hair, washing out the conditioner, I just have my towel now. I'm about to dry it. All right, y'all, I'm back. I know y'all shocked to see me like this because I don't be out here like this. But I told y'all, like, the shrinkage of my hair is real. As y'all can see, y'all see how long my hair is. It's just, it shrinks when it washes or whatever. So, but that's neither here nor there. I'm about to apply this product in my hair next, which is the Hydrate and Repair Protein Powder Treatment. So I just rub it in my hand, rub it throughout my hair. This is before I blow dry it. I already finished like towel drying it, which the towel that I do use, I actually got them from Amazon. I'm gonna see if I can link them in the description box below. It does a pretty good job drying my hair. So usually I don't have to spend as much time blow drying my hair, which I absolutely love. So yeah, I just apply a generous amount of this in my hair. And then there's another product that's also Shea Moisture, which is, the curling cream. That's how I get my hair to be curly, which is a part of why I think it shrinks too. So same thing, I'm gonna take a generous amount, put it on my hand, and just apply it throughout my hair. And then I'm just gonna show y'all the blow dryer that I use. And then probably like insert a small clip of me blow drying my hair. But yeah, once I do that, I'm gonna give y'all a brief like product review of these products that I use for my hair. And then in a different video, y'all gonna see me get my hair done, and I'm gonna look like a I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna look like, but well, no, I'm gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna look like a beautiful, amazing, I mean, I'm still beautiful with or without my hair done, but having my hair done just makes me 10 times more beautiful. It enhances my beauty, so we gotta get it done. And I can't wait because this, no mama, this ain't it. So, all right, I'm done applying this curling cream in my hair. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna put my bonnet over it so I can talk to y'all about these products. And then once I'm done talking to y'all, I'm gonna, what you call it? So I got my bonnet right here. I'm gonna blow dry it, insert it, and then that's a wrap. Look at that. See, whoever invented bonnets, baby, they knew what they was doing. They did. All right, y'all, so we about to get into it. So as I told y'all, the product I use, Shea Moisture Hydrate Plus Repair. I guess I'll do the conditioner first since I picked it up. I like the conditioner. One thing about this whole product line, it smells really, really, really good, which is one of the things I love. I like when my hair smells good. It makes you want to wash it, I guess. But again, I told you I wash my hair every like 2 to 3 months. 3 months is probably the longest I've gone without washing my hair. I'm not too fond of like my hair like when it's natural like this. Before, when I had it permed, I liked washing my hair more often, at least like once a month. But now I've gotten super lazy, and I know, like I said, it's shocking that I wash my hair every 2 to 3 months, but that's what works for me. So yeah, with the hydrate conditioner, I like it. It does make your hair feel hydrated once you apply it. I've used other shampoos and conditioners and my hair just feel completely dry when it's done. But with this, I don't have to do that. And I like with this, as y'all saw, it doesn't sud as much. The shampoo, on the other hand, I feel like I like it, but it suds like a little bit too much. Like it's a little bit too foamy. I wish it wasn't as foamy, but it's still a good shampoo. I like it. I've been using it for like a good year now. I've been using it for like a good year now, so going on 2 years. Yes, it lasts because I don't wash my hair that often, but still, this is the shampoo that I use, and it's also by Shea Moisture. And as I told y'all, this thing, I really like this thing. Under like my crochet hair, or if I'm wearing a wig, or if my hair is like braided up, I can apply this to my scalp and it makes my hair feel really good. So this is the Hydrate Repair Protein Power Treatment, which I love it. It also smells really good and it makes your hair nice and soft. And then last but not least is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So it's a curling cream. It does help your hair get soft and curly. I like applying it to my hair. Like I said, when my hair is like braided up or whatever, I put it on my scalp, I rub it in on my scalp, and it makes my hair nice and curly. And the thing that I feel with this product line, it makes it easier to manage natural hair, which I really like. So if you have 4C hair, if you have natural hair, from my experience, my hair texture is 4C from what I've been told naturally. So if you have that type of hair, definitely recommend this product line to try it. I don't know how it works on other hair textures, but for mine, that's how it works. So that's the product review for this video. I'm about to show y'all real quick how I blow dry my hair, and then this video is going to be a wrap. And then in the next video, y'all gonna see me looking like a all right, I'm gonna see y'all in the blow drying part. I forgot to do one more thing. So the other thing I forgot to tell y'all is like a few tips about washing your hair. I wash my hair in a certain way. So for example, y'all see my nails, it's a hot mess, like they need to be done. I told y'all that I'm going on a trip. So before I get my nails done, I usually like doing my hair first, because majority of the time I do my own hair. So I like washing my hair, all that stuff, braiding my hair, doing whatever I like doing with my hair before I get my nails done, because I've experienced where like I feel like I've gotten my nails done, and then me putting so much pressure on them, it kind of like, I don't know, my nails is not as fresh, and I feel like sometimes like my nails get hanged or different things like that. So I usually prefer to wash my hair first before I do anything else, style my hair first before I do anything else. So when you're washing your hair, definitely want to like scrub it, all that stuff. Be patient, give yourself time, and just use a shampoo and a conditioner that you like. And another thing that's important too, let's say that you don't like maybe using your hands to scrub your hair, you could definitely use a comb, because that's what I was using today too. I don't think I captured it on video, but you could definitely use it to like scrub your scalp. Another thing that's really helpful when washing your own hair is a detangler brush, because it makes the detangling process easier. So that's that. I also have a pick that's gonna help me with my hair. And then for the blow dryer, dang it, the box is over there, but this is the blow dryer that I use. I always recommend using a blow dryer that has like a comb on the end, because it makes the blow drying process a lot much easier. So yeah, let's get into the blow drying process. All right, y'all, so I'm almost done blow drying my hair. As y'all can see, like I told y'all, the thing I like with that blow dryer that has the comb, it stretches my hair back out, gets it nice and straight. But I forgot one more product to add in that I also use. It's called Sheer Moisture Head to Toe Nourishing Hydration 100% extra virgin coconut oil. So this is the oil that I put in my hair, but I usually put it in like when I'm done blow drying, because for me, like when you got the oily product while you're trying to blow dry, it makes it harder to blow dry. Like the blow dryer gets all slippery and oily, so I don't usually like to do it until the end. But I just wanted to come on here, tell y'all this is also a product that I use. I love it. It is what it say it is, that it's very hydrating for your hair, so it keeps my hair from being super dry and stuff like that. So I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done blow drying. I'm almost done, and I'll close out the video once I'm done blow drying. Bye. Another tip I forgot to tell y'all. So let's say y'all only have a blow dryer. I took the clip part off of mine, and you don't have one with the comb. You could just buy a separate pick and then just blow dry, pick your hair out while you blow drying. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick, and then yeah. So boom, that's how you get innovative. All right, y'all, so I'm officially done blow drying my hair. This is the finished product. I'm just about to put it in a ponytail for now. I forgot to add the oil to it, but I'm gonna work on it again later. So I'll add the oil later on, but it feels so nice and soft, y'all. Ooh, I can't wait to get it done. Yeah, but that wraps up this video. So the next beauty video y'all will see, most likely it will be me with my hair done, because tomorrow I'm dropping a weekly vlog, my first weekly vlog, so y'all gonna see it. And then Saturday, of course, there's no video, and then Sunday we gonna most likely drop my hair video. Not gonna tell y'all what hairstyle I'm getting yet. I haven't finalized, but I know it's between two of them, and y'all gonna like it. So I'm most likely gonna film getting it done, and yeah, just stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Woo, y'all don't know, it took a lot for me to do this video, but it's gonna be worth it, I promise. I hope y'all enjoy this shocking hair wash routine video and product review. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Bye.